Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Myself Harshada Billa Dangar. I am assistant professor at Jondhale College. So my this topic is size reduction, content, introduction, objective mechanism, size reduction, factors affecting size reduction, classification of size reduction. Introduction define it is a process of reducing large solid unit masses into small solid mass unit masses, that is coarse particles of fine particles. Size reduction process is also achieved by two methods: precipitate process and second mechanical process. Precipitation and mechanical process. Precipitation method, substance is dissolved is appropriate solvent, and second mechanical process is introduced by using different equipment like ball mill, colloidal mill, etc. Objective of size reduction. Objective of size reduction, the material processing industry. Size reduction of communication is usually carried out in order to first achievement and mixing achieve intimate mixing, to disperse solid waste easily, to improve the handling characteristic, to mix solid particles more ultimately. Factors affecting of size reduction: hardness, toughness, and mechanism of size reduction: impact, compression, shear, and attrition. Particle conclusion by a single rigid force. Impact, compression, particles integration by two rigid force. Shear produced when the particles is compressed between the edges of two hard surface moving partially. Attrition arising from particles scraping against one another to assist against a rigid surface. Crusher example: edge runner mill and end runner mill. Grinder, impact mill, roller mill, attrition and trembling. Ultrafine grinder, cutting ultrafine grinder example: fluid energy mill. Cutting example: cutting mirror. Rotatory cutter mill, principal cutting and construction. Two types of news: the horizontal mounted 2 to 12 news space uniformly. Working rotate disc is allowed to rotate at speed from 200 to 900 rpm. Uses size reduction of tough and fibrous material. Roller mill, principal stress and attrition. Construction: two cylindrical roller made up of stone and metal. One roller is run directly using a motor when second run freely. Uses: used for crushing and cracking of set before extraction of fixed oil. Hammer mill, a principal impact construction. Hammer are fitted horizontally or vertically, made up of hardened steel, and hammer blade can be flat edges or sharp edge or both of the each side. Working rotates at 8,000 to 15,000 rpm. Variant advantage: hammer mill, easy to set up or build, easy to clean, small space requirement if wide range of the size of feed start. Disadvantage: possibility of clogging of screen mill and screen where the abrasive material. Application of hammer mill: use in grinding space, dried mill, sugar agglomerate, coca sprays, cake, dry fruit and dry vegetables extracted and bone. Ball mill. Principle: a ball mill work on the principle of impact and attrition. Size reduction is done by impact as the ball drop from near the top of the shell. Construction: cylindrical shaft rotate about the axle of the shaft horizontal or small angle to the horizontal. Advantage of ball mill: cost of installation is low, cost of production is low, grinding medium is cheap, and uses the grinding of explosive material, suitable for both batch and continuous operation. Disadvantage: ball mill is very noisy machine. It is very slow process. Fluid energy mill. Principal work on principal impact and attrition. Construction consists of loop of pipe 20 to 20 diameter depending on height of loop, which is may be up to 2 meter. Fluid energy mill. Fluid energy mill. Principal fluid energy mill operate on the principle of impact and attrition of the feedstock is suspended with high velocity air steam. Working disadvantage of advantage of fluid energy mill. The mill is used to grind the material to fine powder. The particle size of the powder can be controlled due to the use of classifier. The disadvantage of fluidized energy mill: first, tendency of forming aggregate or after mill generation of the amorphous content due to high energy impact, formation of the ultrafine particle. Edge runnel mill. It is heavy cast iron or granite wheel or muller mounted on the horizontal shaft, which is rotated in a horizontal plane in a heavy plan. Working edge runnel mill. In runnel mill, principal size reduction is done by crushing due to the heavy weight of steel. Pestle shearing stress is also involving during movement of mortar and pestle. Edge runnel mill, principal crushing due to weight of pestle and shearing also involved. Usage suitable for fine grinding. Disadvantage: not suitable for drug which is unbroken or slightly unbroken drug. Thank you.